Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, today we are going to learn 10 fruits name in English. Here I stick all the fruits in alphabetical order. Okay, let us start. This is apricot. A P or I. Apricot. C-O-T. Cot. Apricot. A-P-R-I. Apri. C-O-T. Cot. Apricot. Next, this fruit is cherry. C-H-E. Cherry. Or Y. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Next, this fruit is chiku or sapodilla. C-H-I. Chiku. K-U. Chiku. Next, this fruit is coconut. You know the coconut spelling? C-O. Again C-O. C-O-C-O. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Coconut. Next, last in this line, last fruit is custard apple. C-U-S. Custard. T-A-T-R-D or D. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Custard apple. You know the spelling of apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Custard. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next, this fruit is kiwi. K-I-W-I-V. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. This fruit is muskmelon. M-U-S-K. Musk. Melon. M-E-M-L-O-N. Lawn. Melon. M-U-S-K. Musk. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Muskmelon. This fruit is pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Next, you know this fruit? This is plum. Plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. You can listen the pronunciation properly, then the spelling is very easy for you. P-L-U-M. Plum. Next, last fruit is strawberry. S-T. St means S-T. Raw means R-A-W. Raw. S-T-R-A-W. Strawberry. B-E-R-R-Y. Berry. S-T-R-A-W. B-E-R-R-Y. Berry. Strawberry. I hope you liked the video. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone.